Page 11, number 18. On number 18, they have a new time signature. They call it a meter. I call it a time signature. It's just a different name, means the exact same thing. Time signature. The time signature they have on this one is 3-4. Don't worry about the 4 on the bottom. It's the 3 on top that you need to be concerned with. The top number always tells you how many counts there are in a measure. The time signature is 3-4. That means you count to 3. Some people make the mistake of putting in a silent 4. They'll go like this: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You see the silent 4 they're putting in? They think they're counting to 3. They're really counting to 4, with the rest on 4. Make sure that when you count it, you're following it in 3. Pages away. There we go. Number 18, count it. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Now the difficulty part in this is not going to be counting the rhythm. It's going to be moving the fingers accurately. You have to go from a G down to a D, which means you have to get these 3 covered. Then down near the end, you have to go from an A to a D. So you got 4 fingers that have to find the holes. That's where the difficulty is going to be. And the only way to get over that difficulty is to play it a lot, over and over again. Let's play number 18. 2, ready, go. Rewind it, play it over and over again. Get that movement down from the G to the D, from the A to the D. Okay? Good luck.